Hey guys, good morning, it's Mark. I'm gonna try something new today where I'm gonna invite you to skate with me with this whole quarantine with me trend we're going. So I'll try to skate and talk and tell you a little bit about what I'm thinking as I'm skating. I might not be looking at the camera because it'll be a little tricky. I need to focus, but let's give it a try. See how it goes. All right, so I just start by warming up, doing a few little hill style, going over the spine here. All right, let's do a rock and roll. Woo. It's a little trickier holding this selfie stick. I've got my knee pads on, so I'm good to bail out, but I think all right, let's give it another shot. Let's do this thing. Spine, do a little rock with the pinky. That's all. I'm going to go back over the spine. Little transfer. Alright. See if I can go all the way around. Woo. Hopefully it's not too shaky for you. I'm trying to hold it steady. It's not easy to hold this camera steady while I'm doing a little front side grind. All right, still going. All right, let's see. If they keep, I'd try a hand clamp, but I'd probably drop this thing. Woo. All right, back to where I started from. A little taste of what it's like to skate with me in the mornings. It's probably a lot shakier than you wanted, but I'll work on it and keep doing these skate with me videos. So. Have a great day. Subscribe to my channel.